you may need. Call 1-800-PACIFIC. That's 1-800-722-4342. Pacific Coast Termite uses orange oil plus, so you and your pets can stay in your home. No fumigation to force you to bag your food. No need to move out. Pacific Coast Termite is a trusted company, and they've been with KCBS for many years, and they're A+ rated by the Better Bureau. So if you call now, you get 10% off termite treatments. And have you noticed rodents? Oh, yikes. We did, and Pacific Coast Termite took care of that problem, too. Call them like I did. 1-800-PACIFIC. That's 800-722-4342 or PacificCoastTermite.com.
It's not easy being the one everyone counts on to keep the facility running, no matter the weather or supply chain hiccups. But we get you, Raymond in Buffalo, and Maria in Miami, Jules in Minneapolis, and Stan in Central Indiana, taking control of everything that's under your control. At Grainger, we're here for you with experienced branch staff at over 250 locations who you get the product you're looking for. Call clickgrainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Man, I slept.
New ZzzQuil Pure Z's Restorative Herbal Sleep is made for people who are tired of being tired. I've never slept like this before. I've never woken up like this before. A melatonin-free sleep aid made with a botanical blend that contains clinically studied and effective valerian root, hops, and passion flower, shown to help promote better restorative sleep. ZzzQuil Pure Z's Restorative Herbal Sleep. Sleep this good, feel this good. Available at retailers near you.
Find out why even so-called mild cases of COVID are nothing to mess around with on today's Ask an Expert.
The Sports Line at 9. The Bay Area Chevy Dealer Sports Desk. Here's Joe Hughes. I'm going to figure that Klay Thompson is inspiring the Niners, but not by putting on pads and a helmet.
Yeah, that is a good assumption right there. Warrior star Klay Thompson, who missed nearly 3 years of NBA action while recovering from career-threatening injuries, but his journey back has sparked some interest from the 49ers. That has been a well-documented journey for Klay Thompson. And Niners right tackle Mike McGlinchey, working his way back from his own injury woes, says that even across sports, the journey of Captain Klay has been inspirational.
The struggles that he's had and is well documented, and the time he spent away from the game of basketball, and then to come back and help our generation's greatest franchise in the NBA succeed and win another championship when everybody's telling them that they're washed up. That's pretty damn cool.
Well, McGlinchey says seeing the Warriors win a title after they were written off has not been something that was lost on the 49ers.
It's also the hometown team now, so it was pretty cool to watch that from right down the road, and was pulling for once my Sixers got eliminated. It was fun to pull for the Warriors for sure, and be a Bay native now. So it was cool to watch those guys, and certainly the perseverance and determination that Klay showed is definitely something all athletes can pull from, not just myself.
Now, McGlinchey made it back to 49ers training camp last week, and as he continues to work his way back from off-season surgery. And earlier this morning, WNBA star Brittany Griner found guilty on charges of drug possession and smuggling. She's sentenced to 9 years in Russian prison. We've got more coverage on the story here on our air or at kcbsradio.com. From the sports desk, Joe Hughes, KCBS.
Summer's in full swing. Are you making the most of it with backyard barbecues, pool parties, and s'mores by the fire pit? Or have you spent another season staring at the same crumbling patio or cracked driveway? You deserve better. The outdoor remodeling experts at System Pavers can help. Get the outdoor space you've always wanted. And for a limited time, System Pavers will demolish and remove your old hardscape for free. This unbeatable offer can save you hundreds or even thousands. Start by calling 800-PAVE-004 or visit SystemPavers.com. Plus, enjoy special financing to get the ball rolling today. With 30 years of experience and more than 75,000 projects completed, System Pavers delivers more than just beautiful outdoor remodels. You get peace of mind knowing the job's done right. Call System Pavers at 800-PAVE-004 today. That's 800-PAVE-004 or visit SystemPavers.com right now.
All orders must be placed by August 31st. Financing subject to credit approval. See website for full offer and demolition savings details. Contractor.
Is the Eye in the Sky Traffic Wash, brought to you by Ring Central. This is Neil. Hey, looks like a doozy. You want my advice? Ditch the commute and connect on Ring Central. They put call, meet, and message all in one app, so you can connect with anyone, anytime.
I'm hearing from Chet in the studio. You're breaking up, Chet. Looks like you should have called on Ring Central.
Ring Central. Simpler communications.